One person has been hospitalized following a head-on collision in I-35 construction zone. The Kansas Highway Patrol says that around 9:10 a.m. on Monday, emergency crews were called to an area of northbound I-35 near Emporia with reports of a two-vehicle collision. A 2022 Chevy pickup driven by 43-year-old Joshua Mantooth had been headed north in the left lane through a single-lane construction zone. A 2021 Freightliner semi-truck driven by 64-year-old Jeffrey Kingsolver was headed south. Mantooth was taken to the hospital with suspected serious injuries. Kingsolver escaped the crash without injury.